What's up, guys? We're here at day one of NPE, about to leave the house. We had to get a house because we got so many people. Now it's time to get to the show. There's going to be, what, like 50, 60,000 people at the show. We're here for 5 days. Let's get into it. Tessie, those guys, because I was like, you guys know Tessie? And he's like, I think so. And I said, are they a customer? He's like, I don't know. So I said, hey, when we go see him tomorrow, pass it along.
Yeah,
what do you guys do?
Plastic injection molding.
Oh yeah? Where are you?
Yep. Plastic precision.
I just said
Corey called Nikki.
Yes. It's been so long.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
What is it, like been 2016, 17?
Oh, yeah, it's been a long time.
Yeah. How's it going? That is probably the 5th client that I ever had when I started the company. They were my client back in 2016, I think, for a year. Injection molding company. Help them out with their leads and bringing in revenue and opportunities, stuff like that. But love seeing them. It's been forever. All right, guys, so we're pretty much wrapping up day one. We made it to the end of the wall, right, Alex? We made it to the end of the wall. Overall, good show so far.
Big machines in the West Hall.
Yeah,
Big players here.
big machines. Probably have 5, 6 good conversations with people.
Yeah.
We're ready to get out of here and go and do some more sales work to finish out the day. We'll see you guys tomorrow. You too. Smiling Milan, you got it. Thank you. What are you here looking for?
Customers.
Yeah? What kind of customers? Like exhibitors? You looking for the people walking it?
Yeah, talking to people.
You looking for molders?
Yep.
What do you guys sell?
I built plastic injection molds.
All right, man. It was great. Good seeing you. Hey, it was great seeing you. All right, guys, day 2. We're in the South Hall of NPE 2024. Ran into a bunch of old friends, people that I've known for 10, 15 years. That's the thing about this manufacturing industry is that while it's a massive industry, it's also so small. People even changing companies, changing verticals that they're going into, going from plastics to molding to tooling, etc. I ran into probably like 10 people I know, some people I haven't talked to in 10, 15 years, and they're here at the show, and it's like nothing ever changed. Are you guys better? Let's hear the pitch. Because they're the 800-pound gorilla.
They are.
Yeah. I'm sure that there's companies out there like we just do with big stuff, whereas you guys do with more like the in between, right? So obviously there's companies that could do larger scale.
He'll say that they can do like.
Yeah. Whether or not they can, right?
Yeah.
Guys, day 4 wrapping up. We're heading out of town tomorrow. It was a great show. 4 days of walking around, 2 different halls, multiple laughs, multiple meetings, conversations. It is exhausting. You guys know if you guys have done this before. A lot of people come into these shows and they just say 1 or 2 days. We walked the whole show, both halls, at least 8 to 15 times. So we're heading back to the house now, start wrapping up the trip.